dear children. How are you? Welcome to our English lesson. If you are ready, let's start our distance learning lesson. Unit 8. Having fun. The theme of the lesson, fun places. Lesson 1. Балалар, егер дайын болсаңдар, қашықтан оқыту сабағын бастаймыз. Бүгінгі сабақтың тақырыбы көңілді орындар. Lesson objectives. Say names of some fun places. To describe a place you know, you will make a sentences about fun places.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Dear students, today's new words. Repeat after me. Park, park, саябақ. Sports center, sports center, спорт орталығы. Cinema, cinema, кинотеатр. Skating rink, skating rink, коньки тебу. Market, market, базар, нарық. And now, open your activity book on page 80. Let's do the first task. Look, read, and match. Ал балалар, оқулықтың 80 бетін ашамыз. Бірінші тапсырма. Суретке қарап, жаңа сөздермен байланыстырамыз. The next task. Exercise 2. Where do they like going in their free time? Look and make sentences. Келесі тапсырма балалар. Екінші жаттығу. Олар бос уақыттарында қайда барғанды ұнатады? Суретке қарап, сөйлемдер құраймыз балалар. For example, Бақытжан likes going to the park. Мысалы, Бақытжан саябаққа барғанды ұнатады. Let's show the video about fun places. Pay attention to this video.
Are you bored at home? Do you have nothing to do? Then come to Funland. Funland is an activity resort for the whole family, where you can enjoy all of your favorite hobbies, all under one roof. At Funland, we have almost every sport and leisure activity you can think of. Sports fans can play football with top professionals, hire one of our top-of-the-range bikes and go cycling, or ride a horse in our beautiful woodland park. But Funland isn't just for sport. We've got something to suit everyone. Artistic types can take advantage of our arts center to paint a picture and have it shown in the gallery. Like to salsa? Join a dance club and practice in our studios. Or, if you prefer to work alone, take photos in our photography class with one of our expert instructors. At the end of the day, when you want something more relaxing, how about seeing a show in the Funland Theatre? Watching a film in our very own cinema? Taking some time out and going fishing in the lake? Or playing an instrument? You can do all of this and more at Funland. So visit our website and book your visit today. Funland, the place where you never get bored.
If you understand this video, let's start to the next task. Complete the sentences with these words: play, write, watch. Олай болса, балалар, келесі тапсырманы орындаймыз. Сөйлемдерді мына сөздермен толықтырамыз. Play, ойнау, write, жүргізу, watch, көру. Our lesson is over. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye. Осымен, балалар, бүгінгі сабағымыз аяқталды. Сендерге ұнады деген ойдамын. Назарларыңа рахмет. Сау болыңдар.